Hi, this is Nikki with M&N English, and here's another fun with tongue twisters. And we have 3 tongue twisters today, and the first one is this. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? Okay, so let's practice this one again. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? So practice this tongue twister, speed up as you go along. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? Practice and have fun with it. Our next tongue twister is a bit easier. If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? So the same practice. Keep going faster, faster, faster. As you say it, speed up as quick as you can. If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? Okay, try it. Have fun. Keep going faster, faster, faster. And our last tongue twister today. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. This one actually is quite tough. So you are going to make mistakes and you're going to laugh about it. But practice it, speed up as you go along, and just try it. Fred fed Ted bread, and Ted fed Fred bread. It's fun. Have fun. Enjoy it, and look out for the next video I'll put up soon.